here, 4 or 5 o'clock, just under us.
Wow, I got him. Wow.
You know that close. Atlantic white-beaked dolphins.
What's the difference between them and those gray ones you see on TV?
Sorry?
What's the difference between
Well, they're different species, and interestingly enough, the bottlenose dolphins you see on TV in the shows, they do not jump naturally in the wild. They just because they handle it better.
how high can they jump?
I don't know. Pretty high. Probably 10 feet anyway. Oh, that was good.
Just playing?
Probably. Maybe they're showing off.
Yeah.